Hi everyone, if you want to permanently delete your Facebook account, this video is for you. I'll show you the steps quickly and easily, so let's get started. From your smartphone, open your Facebook app and let's go to the menu, these three horizontal lines over here. Scroll down and let's tap on Settings and Privacy section. Then tap on Settings. Click on See More in Account Center hyperlink under Meta Account Center section. In the Account Center, go to Personal Details, and under Personal Details, you'll find Account Ownership and Control option. Tap on that, and then choose Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Facebook account from here, and choose Delete Account option. Then hit Continue. Now here, Facebook will ask you for the reason you're deleting your account. You can choose any of the suggested responses or continue without selecting one. You'll reach the Permanently Delete Account section in your Meta Account Center. Scroll down and hit Continue again. Enter your Facebook password to confirm the deletion. Then hit Continue one last time. And finally, you'll see the Delete Account button. Now just remember, once you hit this button, it will permanently delete your Facebook account. But if you log back in within 30 days, it will reactivate the account. Now just keep in mind, it will take Facebook up to 30 days to complete the account deletion process, but your account will no longer be accessible or searchable during this period. All your activities will be permanently deleted except for messages you've sent, which will still be visible to recipients. And that's how to permanently delete your Facebook account. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.